My life now is like the dew in the morning, now seen and later gone in the wind. A water vapor of God Most High, too moist to fade, dried by the years. My shadow is a proof that I am not alone. Where I go, it follows me, north to south, east to west. It's always with me. When I move, it activates accordingly. My character must be in a godly way. Correct the wrongs is my major task. Teach people the goodness of God's law to be perfect after series